My name is Asha, and I'm a 2011 alum of North Central, and I'm currently serving as the resident director of Miller Hall.
I'm Luke. I graduated in 2013, and I'm currently serving as a residence hall director of Phillips Hall. I think one really unique thing about North Central's community is how on mission our students are together. I think they all come here with kind of the common purpose of trying to seek God and find out what He's calling them to do and how they're supposed to help people. And so students come to that and have that in common, and then they really bond over that, and that's really special for them.
Staff and faculty really come behind students and help support them in their mission.
Yeah, I remember as a student being really seen by the faculty. I felt like a lot of my faculty and even some of the staff, my residence hall director really knew me and could remember my name and everything. That was important. You know, you kind of leave friends and family usually, leave your hometown, and then you're off in college in just a new space. And so as resident directors, we are there to kind of support students, and we do that ourselves, but we also have some student staff there on the floors. And yeah, we just know college is a difficult time, so we want to make sure that we're there for students and helping to pray for them or help them to try to answer big questions about what do I do with my life, or how do I navigate this thing called college. There's a lot of different kind of people here. We live in one of the most diverse cities in the country, but also kind of everybody comes here and you're kind of family. Asha says that a lot. When you're here, you feel like family. So everybody comes and they just feel welcome and invited from day one. We do a good job of making sure nobody's kind of on the outside. If you want to take part in North Central's community, you can. I think that's really cool.
Yeah, I would agree. And even though we come from a lot of different backgrounds or maybe upbringings, I think that there is still the one common purpose of serving the Lord and finding out who you are in Him and how to best serve your community through Him. And so I think that that is something that students come together to unite around as well, regardless of diverse background. In the dorms, there's a lot of variety in living. One of the biggest things that stick out to me is just living together, doing the mundane things. You talk to people in circumstances that maybe you wouldn't normally on a regular basis or in class. There's a lot of ownership around the floor and just the community that's built there. And yeah, you kind of feel like it's a safe space to be you. Students thrive here at North Central by investing in the community around them, coming and making a decision to get involved and support those around them.
I feel like students here really take an ownership of the community. It's not just I'm coming here as a guest or I'm just staying here temporarily. It's no, this is my place and I want to contribute, and I am really, really proud of our students who do that. As resident directors, we both provide support from faculty, staff, and students, helping you get through this college experience well, but also we want to challenge you and help you grow and be the best thing you can be.